Hey, what's up, Tron TRX holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the TRX. What's the price range of TRX, my friends? People ask me questions about TRX that when will the price of TRX increase, and is the price increase in this June month or not, my friends? So I will try to answer your question in this video. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the TRX Tron in the market is 0.067506 USD dollar is the currently price of the TRX Tron in the market. And on the other side, my friends, if we look the price changes of the TRX, so the price change at this time is going better, but the previous change is going wrong. My friends, the people ask me questions that when will the price of TRX increase? So now in this time, live in the last hour, the price of TRX start increasing but slowly. Let me show you the price chart of TRX. Oh my goodness, what's going on in the TRX? My friends, you know what? The whole cryptocurrencies falls down in the last one. That is the last 30 days price chart of the TRX. And from the last 30 days chart, that's clear that TRX price is going fast down. Day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour, the price is going down. But now, my friends, at this time, my personal prediction about TRX is going positive because I believe that after a falls, there is a jump. So now the falls also occur in the TRX. So maybe at this time, TRX take a pump. Maybe, my friends, maybe in the future price falls down, but we have to think positive about anything. We have to think positive, my friends, remember. So my prediction is going positive. And what is your prediction about TRX? What you think about TRX future? Tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Don't lose hope, be patient and hold it. Maybe my prediction is going positive, so I hope that they will take a pump, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.